The Sarblue Mak60 Telescope Kit is a Maksutov-Cassegrain design which reduces both spherical and chromatic aberrations, delivering sharp and vivid images for both daytime wildlife viewing and astronomical exploration. The telescope's compact and portable design, along with its long focal length of 750 millimeters, makes it easy to pack and take on any adventure. The high-quality 20mm eyepiece included in the set provides a 37.5 times magnification, allowing for clear views of objects more than 8 meters away. The kit also includes a smartphone adapter, a tabletop tripod, and an erect-image diagonal, enhancing the overall user experience and versatility of the telescope. Despite its power and complexity, this telescope is incredibly user-friendly and requires no tools for setup, making it a perfect gift for astronomy beginners, both children and adults. With a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 24-hour customer service, the Sarblue Mak60 Telescope Kit ensures customer satisfaction.